dorsal oblique, and it's innervated by trochlear nerve, which is cranial nerve 4. And then we have medial, dorsal, lateral, and ventral rectus muscles. The lateral one is innervated by the abducens, as well as the sucky-backy muscles, retractor bulbi.
The very top one is actually the dorsal oblique, not the dorsal rectus.
This very top one's
the medial rectus. This is dorsal rectus.
Yeah.
Okay, so
And
they look the same, but it's actually the top one's the oblique, right?
This very top one?
No, like
This one, yeah.
This is the levator palpebrae.
Yeah.
The dorsal oblique looks more medial, but it's cut off the other part of it.
So then the levator, levator palpebrae superioris, the dorsal, the ventral, and the medial rectus are all innervated by the oculomotor nerve, which is cranial nerve 3.
Dorsal, ventral, and medial rectus, oculomotor.
One other one.
Ventral.
Oh, ventral oblique. I always forget about that one. Mr. Ventral oblique. And then we have
The abducens is only the
orbicularis oculi.
I don't actually know which one is the orbicularis oculi. There's always muscles around the eye. Are they always?
could probably see that.
I don't know, but orbicularis oculi is innervated by facial nerve, right?
Yeah.
The palpebral branch of the facial nerve.
Here, this one.
Louis.
You see this?
We just see the other side of that dog.
No, it's on this.
It's on the other side. This one.
So that's sorry, that's the stylo. That's the stylo hyoid.
It's on the other. No, this is the ventral one, isn't it?
Oh, you're right. No,
That's the parotid.
I think that's the parotid, the ventral.
No, that is across your digastricus. This should be your stylo.
This is
I think
superficial.
that is kind of superficial.
Because if you flip it over, it's right here. This is stylo. No, it's really small. Stylopharyngeus. Yeah.
This is stylohyoid.
Guys, can you see
where's stylohyoid?
the auricular cartilage?
Stylo.
Annular cartilage here. What is this thing? That's the external cystic meatus.
Actually, where is stylohyoid? This is the stylo, and this is the hyoid.
That's just so dumb.
Because in the horse,
This is definitely stylopharyngeus because it's the only one that dilates the pharynx, and I know it's a small muscle that's right here, and on the horse you can see it right underneath the stylohyoid.
but it has podialis in it too.
This is stylopharyngeus. It's actually a bigger muscle.
Stylohyoideus.
You can see. Stylohyoideus is on this side.
It's going to the
I know
hyoid.
it's this. I know because
That's so bizarre because on the horse it's different.
the caudal auricular, and it's at the same level as the platysma.
Where's the ventral auricular then?
It's way up here.
removed.
It's
Oh,
removed.
is it like,
totally gone.
and the zygomaticus is like way over
It's gone too.
What do you think? Is this
right?
annular?
Wait, because
is this sternothyroid?
Cartilage like on the inside the ear.
this is not the zygomatic nerve branches.
We've got a hard dog. That's the ear one.
This is the parotid. That's your ventral auricular, right?
There are the two eye ones, the zygomatic and dorsal and ventral. And I haven't been able to find out any.
Wait, so what is this one versus this
And
one?
then that one
It was the same lab we did the
What is this?
temporalis.
Is this part? I feel like this is your ventral auricular, but I don't know if this is. This is your cranial.
This is zygomaticus.
Okay. With the auricular along the side of the
zygomatic-facial.
Ventral
This
auricular.
is the ventral auricular, yeah. So you can see that that's different than that.
Yeah, totally.
These two zygomatic-facial.
Wait, what did they decide this one was? Stylohyoid.
Stylohyoid is this is
Auricular cartilage?
like stylopharyngeus.
Like even here. So this right here is annular cartilage. That's different. That's your inner, like of the external ear, the inner part. And then everything is just all auricular. And then mainly like what we're talking about, like this stuff is really auricular. And then so auricular cartilage is all the outside.